I'm Sam. I'm the founder of Ryker. We make bags and accessories from recovered ocean waste plastics, as well as aiming to support ocean initiatives through a percentage of our revenue. It was probably 3.5 years ago now when I started, when there was much less of a push on the whole ocean waste and plastic pollution problem. My background is in industrial design, sourcing in the Far East, and that kind of thing. But actually, that wasn't really the route I wanted to go down. So I wanted to specialise in soft goods design, which isn't really taught in the UK, which is a big part of my mission as well, which is trying to make it a thing over here. It's very big in the US. Because my mum, it's like paying homage to her, because her background is in pattern cutting, and she was a seamstress. And I've always just grown up tinkering with sewing machines and stuff like that. So it's just combining one problem with something I was really passionate about. So we've successfully mass-produced 6 SKUs and are currently shipping into the US and the UK to fulfill to our customers. We launched earlier in the year, but it has been a massive uphill battle dealing with COVID delays. Currently, it's a nightmare and a bit of a bidding war actually getting onto a ship. It's a process I've been through before, so I'm sure I'll tackle it, but it's never been this tricky.